Hey y'all, it's Nisha baby and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hey boo, welcome. Thank you for stopping by and tuning in. And if you are ride or die, what's up? Thank you for coming back. You know the vibes over here. That's why you here. But first and foremost, I just wanted to say happy Pride Month. Today is Pride Day and I want to also show you all the end results of how I wrap my passion twist into locks. And yes, y'all, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is the same hair that I've used and I love it. Get into it. Alright y'all, so the same as all the other videos that I have, and if you're new to my channel, please check those out. But if you have longer hair and you want shorter locks, this is what you do to get your locks to look shorter. So you just wrap the hair back up. You can secure it with a rubber band, but I usually just wrap it up and it stays just like so. And we're gonna go ahead and get ready to crochet this hair in. So if you don't know how to crochet, go ahead and take a close look. So you just pull the hair through while securing one side. And when you do that, you want to make sure you're measuring, as you're going to see what I'm about to do in a few seconds. Now that one side is longer than the other, we're going to use that as a base to wrap. So you just want to make sure you wrap about 3 to 4 times, however many times you feel most secure, but it usually takes about 3 to 4, and use that index finger as a guide. Now, as I'm getting ready to start the butterfly lock process, I really decided that my index finger was better than my thumb. And as you look later in the video, you're going to see what I'm talking about. But this way for me just worked out. I did find another option to do if you don't like this way to try to get the distressed butterfly lock look. But just keep watching and y'all let me know in the comment section which one you like best. By the way, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you know what? Left behind, boo, because you don't want to be in the rear. I'm telling you, you don't want to be back there. So go ahead and ding that bell and y'all can see what I'm up to and get this tea and this knowledge when I drop it. So notice I just used that index finger to help guide me and get me along the way, y'all. It was my first time doing it this way because if you watch my other lock videos, I just throw that thing in a circle. But these are how it came out and I like it. And watch what I do to the end. And like I said, the second option is coming up, so stay tuned. Still using that index finger as a guide, but take a closer look. Pay close attention as to how I slide my thumb in there already. And what I'm gonna do is wrap over. See? Over, just like that. And I wanted to show me messing up a little bit so y'all can see. But look, mess up, it's all right. Just put your thumb through again and get ready to go over, just like that. And you just continue to process all the way through. Just going over, just like so. And when I first did it, and I discovered this when I was in the front, yeah, it took me a little while. But when I finally discovered it, I got it. But just talk your way through, do what you gotta do, boo, because it can be done. And that's the beauty about locks. If you mess up, it doesn't matter because it's distress. Who cares? It's supposed to be messy. And it's cute, so rock it. And voila, simple as that, easy as pie. So I'm gonna finish up the rest and show y'all the final look. So I just wanna come to y'all on Pride Day, show y'all this look that I did. And I just wanted to show you these are the results for my hair, for my locks. Get into it. And I just wrapped everything, and as you see, it was easy peasy. All right, I hope y'all like this video and this look. Let me know how you feel in the comment section below. And I just want to give a shout out to all my Pride people. I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. And never be ashamed of who you love, because love is love, period.